What's up, y'all? You know who it is, man. It's your dirty legend killer. I'm back up in this shit, man. You know what I'm saying? I ain't never left. But I'm about to give y'all exclusive freestyle, man. You know what I'm saying? This is exclusive. Only for y'all, man. Only for y'all. So, without any further ado, let's get right into it. Pop off, nigga.
Stay sharp, everybody.
You heard the man. Stay short, baby. Let's get right into it. Yeah, I'ma act a fool on this one, man. Y'all can't see me on this shit. Fuck y'all haters. You need to know? Roger that, Roger that. You niggas all washed up like a laundromat. You like hiding, that's why you sport a Dodger hat. I do it big, tell me where they do it larger at. It's Legend Killer, cutting the heads off of these so-called rap hip-hop legend niggas. I ain't talking about nobody in the gang cause they cool. I'm talking about these haters on my side acting a fool. But me, I'm not gonna lose. So your life is the magic. It's like pick or choose. Everybody know I'm Dick the Bruiser when I hit with these punchlines. I eat them like lunchtime. Look at me, yeah, iced up, yo, I'm doing fine. My watch look like Fruit Loops, Toucan Sam. Yeah, this boy bad like two blam blams. I mean, put it in your face, nigga. I'm a 8 nigga, beating up on the track with these rhymes. I'm a great nigga. Yeah, from state to state, it's the mo, nigga. STL, see it on my cap, that's for sure, nigga. Legend Killer, I do it how I flow, nigga. How these motherfuckers packing up on the road, nigga. Now, Roger that, tell them Roger that. These niggas can't stop me, so Roger that. I knock these haters out like Rocky, now Roger that. Let me stop and spit it so you niggas have a heart attack. I'm the most greatest, famous. Tracks about the anus, you niggas can't even blame us. Dirty Bird ENT, that's an empire. I'm feeling like Kanye when he went through the wire. I'm harder, I'm stronger, I'm faster, I'm longer. These niggas better leave me alone. I'm in the zone, bruh. We got to get it how we feel. I'm gonna lay it down. Cause I got a clique of niggas that love spraying rounds. I ain't gotta do shit, just sit back and spit these motherfucking flows, knock these niggas toothless. Cause see, when I'm ruthless, I feel something like easy. Believe me, I leave these cats greasy. For sheezy, it's Legend Killer on the mic. Best believe I get it hype. Rocking from the day all the way into the fucking night. Dirty Bird NT. Yeah, you know we do it right and keep it tight and keep the rhymes all night. Fuck the ladies. I don't mean like that, trust me, ladies. But see, I'm on my paper mission. Fuck them haters and I gotta get it so they can keep on hating. Cause your boy's so hot, John blazing like Satan. The boys that I spit will make a nigga throw up. These little niggas around me, these bitches need to grow up. Cause this boy here, I'm hot, I'm gonna blow up. You see the west side of the Lewis when I throw up. Yeah, so then you know where I'm from, cause I be everywhere you don't be. All the time, son, cause y'all niggas is my kids. Trying to practice doing it, going over it, ad-libbing my shit. Let me show you how to do it. Your boy get reckless, had you swinging like the cross as a charm on my necklace. The checklist, you gon' get check shit just like Nikes, cause your boy stay getting checks, bitch. Undercover flow, smother hoes. These niggas know I'm about to overload, overdose. See, I'm mad now, too hot to handle. Yeah, these niggas caught up in a scandal. I'll roger that, I roger that to you niggas, roger that to you haters, roger that to you bitches. Cause LK's on the mic, I don't fuck with no snitches. Gotta do it cause I don't feel it's no competition, motherfucker. Holla at your boy. You know how we do. Dirty Bird ENT. You can't stop this shit, nigga, so you better watch this shit, nigga. Holla at your boy. Yep.